Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kwemi in the building. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this yummy crunchy Nigerian chin chin. Have you subscribed to my channel? Why now? Oh yeah, subscribe. Thank you. Press the like button, drop your comments, share this video. Thank you so much. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into this video. What we'll be needing for our chin chin is 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg, some salt. I have 1 tablespoon of butter here, 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 egg. I already broke my egg. I'm going to start off by adding my butter into the flour, just like this, and you want to give this a good mix. You have to mix it till it doesn't have lumps again. Now that our butter and our flour has been well combined, now I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar, just like that. Basically, you combine all dry ingredients, and in this bowl I have my baking powder, nutmeg, and some salt. So I'm going to mix them together very well. I'm going to give them a good mix. Now it's time to go in with my egg, but first I have to give it a good stir. I'm going to beat it together, and I'm going to pour it into the flour with all ingredients that is inside already, just like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and put water. I'm going to add water. This is my water. So now I'm going to give this a good mix. You want to do it gently. There's a technique to this. You drag, and you cut. Again, drag, and cut. Drag, and cut. Cutting of the chin chin, we'll be needing a chopping board, a rolling pin, a pizza cutter, but in the absence of a pizza cutter, a very sharp knife would do. That is my dough after I've finished mixing it. So now I'm going to transfer it onto our chopping board, and I'm going to sprinkle some flowers on it so that it doesn't get stick to the chopping board. So now I'm going to give this a good mix. I'm going to mix this again. Then you want to cut it into balls, just like this, for easy rolling. Just like this. It does not have to be perfect, just to divide it into smaller portions. I'm going to go ahead and start rolling the dough. First off, you want to use your hand to flatten this a little bit, just like this. Then you want to go in with your rolling pin, and in absence of a rolling pin, you can pretty much use bottle, like any bottle that does not have mark on its body. So you want to go forward, make sure anything you're doing flies there. So you want to roll it till it's half an inch thick. Then you go in with your pizza cutter, just like this. Then you cut just like that. Then you cut across. Just like that. This is the chin chin after I finished cutting them. Now it's time to fry these bad boys. I'm going to go ahead and pour my oil until it's hot. Oil is already hot. I'm going to go ahead and start adding my chin chin. I kept flour. I sprinkled flour on it so that it will not gum together. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my chin chin, just like that. You don't want to put so much in the oil at once. But to give it a good mix. You should fry your chin chin under medium heat, because you don't want to have that brown burnt chin chin. Your chin chin has to be very crunchy and as well light brown or golden brown. Here is our chin chin. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, drop your comment. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you.